Welcome to Latest Cars Review, the channel where we bring you the most exciting and iconic cars from around the world. Whether it's a modern supercar or a timeless classic, we dive deep into the details to give you everything you need to know. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's get into today's car. The 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is one of the most elegant and stylish cars ever produced by Volkswagen. It perfectly blends German engineering with Italian design, resulting in a car that still turns heads more than 50 years after its release. Built on the reliable Beetle platform, the Karmann Ghia was Volkswagen's attempt to offer a sporty, stylish coupe without sacrificing the practicality and affordability the brand was known for. Designed by the Italian firm Carrozzeria Ghia and hand-built by German coachbuilder Karmann, this car was truly a masterpiece of collaboration. Its sleek, curvy body lines, low stance, and chrome accents gave it a sophisticated look, making it one of the most beautiful cars of its era. Unlike the Beetle, which had a more functional design, the Karmann Ghia was all about style. It featured a wide, rounded front end with delicate curves that flowed seamlessly into the rear. The smooth, flowing lines made it look far more expensive than it actually was. Under the hood, the 1970 Karmann Ghia was powered by a 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine, producing around 57 horsepower. While that might not sound like much by today's standards, it was enough to provide a fun and enjoyable driving experience, especially considering the car's lightweight design. It featured a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels. The handling was responsive, and the low center of gravity made it feel more agile than the Beetle. Even though it wasn't a true sports car, it had a character that made driving it a pleasure. One of the most unique aspects of the Karmann Ghia was its interior. The cabin was simple yet elegant, featuring high-quality materials and a well-thought-out layout. The dashboard had a classic, minimalist design with a large speedometer in the center, accompanied by smaller gauges. The thin-rimmed steering wheel and comfortable seats added to the charm, making it feel more like a luxury car than an economy vehicle. By 1970, the Karmann Ghia had already undergone several updates to improve safety and performance. This model featured larger taillights, a more reinforced body, and improved suspension for a smoother ride. Despite these changes, it still retained the charm and elegance that made it a favorite among car enthusiasts. One of the reasons why the Karmann Ghia remains so popular today is its timeless design. Unlike many cars from the 1970s that now look outdated, the Karmann Ghia still looks stylish and sophisticated. Classic car collectors and Volkswagen enthusiasts consider it a prized possession, and well-maintained examples are highly sought after. Owning a Karmann Ghia today is like owning a piece of automotive history. It represents an era when cars were built with passion and craftsmanship. While it might not be the fastest car, it delivers an experience that modern vehicles often lack. The simplicity of its engineering, the beauty of its design, and the joy of driving it make it a true classic. If you're looking for a vintage car that stands out from the crowd, the 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a fantastic choice. It's relatively affordable compared to other classic cars, and thanks to its Beetle-based mechanics, finding parts and maintaining it is easier than many other vintage vehicles. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know what classic car you'd like us to review next. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Latest Cars Review for more amazing car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.